Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've never been on a plane before. Okay, kids, we're here. Oh wait, where's Chloe and Mommy?
Oh, I think they're already on the plane.
Oh, well, let's go.
Hey, kids.
This airplane is so nice.
I know, but
Let me grab the luggage. And we'll just set that up later. Yay, we're all nice and ready. Oh my gosh, let's read the plane emergency. So, airplane safety instructions. Takeoff landing, make sure you buckle your seatbelt. How do I do that?
well, Chelsea, all you do is click right there.
Oh, okay.
This will be Chloe's first plane ride, and she's not even one yet. That's no fair. I'm like 6', 7", and I haven't even been on one.
Well, this trip to a mysterious place is very expensive. Y'all will be really excited when we go there.
Is that a TV? Chelsea, what do you want to watch?
Parker, let's not get out of your seat.
No! Chelsea, what do you want to watch?
Parker, you should sit down.
Oh, you're so done. Parker!
You can't do that.
Oh, I was just wanting to watch something.
Well, there's a remote right there.
You guys are so stupid.
Parker, don't speak in that language.
I hate the plane ride. Ken, I think we should really get some sleep.
But babe, I can't fall asleep with the loud noises of the engine. I don't know how the kids do it.
Well, then looks like you'll miss the first day of our big trip sleeping.
Oh, I'll just drink an energy drink.
Good night, baby.
Good night.
Rise and shine, kids.
Good morning, Mommy. Ooh, did we get some breakfast buffet?
I think so, Chelsea. Ooh, give me some juice.
Oh, I love orange juice.
Is that K-pop demon?
K-pop demon hunters.
I, for one, need to probably use the restroom, and Chloe stinks. Let's go.
Mom, I feel the plane. It's really moving.
Attention, everybody. I'm sorry to inform you this, but we are going to have a crash landing. Please prepare. Y'all, hold on to you.
Mommy, this is scary. I don't like it. We have to get out of the window. There's no other plane.
Everybody, we're having an emergency evacuation. Please.
We have to get out the window.
I'll grab our luggage. Oh, Chloe,
Chloe, here we come.
Attention, everybody. If you did not pay for a cart, please come with me to state patrols.
Mommy, did we pay for a cart?
Of course, sweetheart. It's right over here.
Okay, yay! I'm so excited to